Hi, my name is Silke and I'm starting today a cooking channel, and this is my first recipe, and it's a quick recipe, and it's an amazing spicy tuna sandwich. I hope you will love it. And all what you need is chili, how much you like. I like it spicy, that's why three kind of chili I take. And then we need 1.5 onions. I have a half from yesterday. Then we need tuna. And we need mayonnaise. This is mayonnaise with some ingredients, that's fine. We need our green, in German, Schnittlauch. I don't know the English word. And we need 1 teaspoon chili powder, if you like it. 1 teaspoon paprika. 1 teaspoon big black pepper. And 1 teaspoon salt. So let's do it quick.